Hello everyone, this is Kirit and today I am going to talk about what all different methods of learning English, right? So before I start the video, I would request you, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. So let's get started. Friends, the first method was grammar method. You know what, in our school, college, university, we already have been taught that grammar is everything. Grammar. If you learn the grammar, you can speak English easily. But reality is something else. With this method, very rare people would be able to learn speaking English. Yes, of course, you will have that correct English, but you will not be able to speak English with this method. Another method was translating method. In translating method, what we used to do is, if we want to speak one sentence in English, what we will do? We will make some sentence in our mother tongue and then we translate them into English, then we speak. This is kind of good method, but you will never be able to become fluent. You will not be fluent if you use this method. Another method was start thinking in English. If you start thinking in English, you will definitely be a good English learner. This is actually, you can say, average or a good English learning method. But you know what? That is not the best way of learning English. The best way of learning English is such as we learn our mother tongue. Do you know how we learn our mother tongue? That is called LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. We have developed our systems that is called acquired English learning system, and in that system we teach easily and effortlessly. You will easily learn the language English, and after completion of this program, 100% you will be able to become a fluent in English speaker. You can express yourself easily and effortlessly. You will be able to give presentations in English in your corporate office, or maybe you will be expand your business in lots of other countries, or maybe you will clear your IELTS exam and you will achieve your dream job in Canada or US. So whenever you want to learn that spoken English, always use the best and advanced learning method that is called acquiring English, LSRW. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. Thank you so much.